Always got to keep your golf cart clean.
There you go.
So, as you've seen, went out there, spun a little. Not sure when they prepped the track or anything, but we just needed to get some data and see what the car was gonna do. I wanted to show you guys a little bit of the insides to FuelTech and one of the things that I like the most about it. So, obviously this is the data log. TPS is orange up here. Drive shaft. One of the greatest things about FuelTech is that Justin can stay floored and spin a radial tire and have it hook and regain control and keep on going. Now obviously he lifted because we planned to just lift to make sure everything was alright, but if you know anything about radials, you know that once it spins, it's over with. Not with FuelTech. This is one of the great things about FuelTech. The traction control strategies they use are very complex, and once they're set up properly, this is how good they can work.
Videoing?
All right, we're on. We're
All right.
live.
Look at this new butte out here. We got Joey doing his thing. He keeps telling me it is sitting too low in the rear. So let's let YouTube tell him. Now that is gangster is what we call that. But he doesn't like the California lean. So when we get back after this pass, he's probably gonna make me raise it up.
What is this thing? We've never seen it yet.
Nope, this is a brand new ride.
Is that a Camaro or what is that thing?
It's like a Nova Mustang Camaro. As Reed would say, it has like 6 turbos on it.
Yep.
I mean, this thing is it's a pretty cool car. The craziest thing about it is that is a GMC paint color.
Oh, see, it is a Camaro.
Yeah, yep. Yeah, it's a 66, yeah, maybe 67. So
otherwise, same engine combination as last year.
Yep, same everything.
Big block Chevy.
Twin turbo.
God, that's not a bracket car this time.
That's my other car. That's the Pro Mod up there. The only difference is this year is Mr. Joey here got our lockup working, so watch out for that.
Not yet.
So
not yet.
we haven't used it, but now it actually works.
We got to make it off the starting line, right?
That is true. That is true. We
Maybe
are working
this
at
go.
it. Yeah. We if there's anybody out there that can get me a longer strut shock too, that'd be great. Like these Pro Mods here, they act different.
At least you accept the fact that it's a Pro Mod.
Oh, it's Pro Modified. Yeah, that's how we built it. Yep. Later in the videos, I'll have Joey walk around and do some more of it. It's a pretty cool car, so
Yep.
Just stay tuned to his channel.
looking at, Jake?
I just wanted to make sure that we weren't gonna overfill the belly pan with oil. What's wrong with it, Jake?
Yeah. What just happened? Run us through what we just witnessed.
Okay, so we get up there. We got a hot rod.
Hot rod.
And fires it up. Everything's looking good. Puts it in the burnout box. Beautiful. Looking good. And it makes a noise like when you hit a home run out of the park. And
can you reenact that noise for me?
Like, no.
You haven't drank enough yet?
No, it was like. No, I can't. It's like pow!
Oh,
It's like pow!
Oh,
It's like pow!
Oh.
And we saw stuff over here. We saw stuff over there. And we said, that's it, probably.
Stuff.
And then Justin
the
said,
exhaust.
yes. And
That
Justin said, we're going to fire it back up and try to put it in the beans.
No, we were gonna like.
And it was doing like this in there, and we said, we better not.
Oh,
We better
shit.
And then Joey said, you know what, I'm gonna make the executive decision. We're gonna shut this one.
All right, Justin, give me an outro here.
Man, it was a great day.
We still had fun.
Oh, we had a great time. And I wish I could discuss it, and I probably will, because what happened today is something that I've been trying to do for a long, long time. I built this car to do what we did today. We're gonna release that on the YouTube video, I'm sure.
Shut up.
But
No, we're not.
okay, we're not. He said we're not, so we're not. But it was great. We're in the semifinals. I mean,
We were looking real good.
I also want to give a shout out here to Seth. This guy right here.
Whoa.
If it wasn't for this guy, this race car wouldn't have been on the track tonight. He comes over here, diagnoses my wiring. I mean, it's a fucking jungle gym in there too, I promise you. How'd you figure it out, Seth?
Process of elimination.
Yeah. Been with
Seth, obviously, you guys have seen on the channel several times, the resident FuelTech guru. Brought his whole wiring truck with us.
on the spot. We got called at 8 a.m. by Joey.
Yeah, I said, Seth, I got an emergency.
30 minutes he's here and we're figuring this out. Joey gets here about 10:30. He had to drive 3 hours. By the time Joey gets here, the man's got it fixed. We're ready to go on the track.
Right, we made 5 rips today.
5 rips
Four
on
and
a
4 and a quarter.
5 rips, brand new car, new personal best. I'm sad, but I'm happy and I'm smiling.
Yeah.
And it's a good day. And it's his birthday. Yep.
Jake, happy
And we're
birthday
drinking
today.
Buffalo Trace. Yep.